Claycomo tried to make me sign this illegal waiver, which I did not, to get these body cam records.
That drugs?
Yeah. Yeah, I figured as much.
I was trying to get a good look in the vehicle.
There's a bunch of shit in the back that makes me think she's probably got some dope in there. She's got a propane hose back there.
It's not enough though for us to...
No, it's not enough for PC, but it's enough to make me think there might be something in the car, but not enough for PC.
I don't know how we'd be able to get in.
Consent or a dog? I called for a dog, so...
Wait for Northtown.
We can go up there and bullshit with her, try and figure out what she's doing. I know she said she's lost, but that doesn't really tell us a whole lot.
Alright, man, get that for you. So where are you trying to go to?
Perfect, thank you.
Don't worry about that at the moment. Just give us 1 second, okay? Be right back with you.
Okay. Yeah, Riverside's en route. Alright, so what'd she say?
There's a white van up the street that looks sketchy that does a headlight out too. It has a headlight out. I was like, okay, well, we'll worry about that later. Do you want to take a seat inside so you're not freezing?
Oh no, I'm good. I'm not cold at all. I wore layers.
I mean, her being prior J8 and all the shit. That should be enough for a free or sniff, right?
You don't have to have any reason for a free ear sniff.
Oh, I Kansas City one time tell me no.
Now, Kansas City's got policies, but there's nothing, again, I mean, free ear sniff is not a protected thing, so it's not actually a search. You can't own the air around the car.
Yeah. And she asked why, I'd be like, well, it shows you have priors for drugs. There's a lot of stuff in the vehicle that I'm concerned about.
Yeah, just tell her that she's in a high drug area, and
prior drug charges.
She's got history with drugs. She's in a area that's known for drug usage. She's acting lost. I have a feeling she was trying to get over to 120 South Drake or 120 South Emerson. Actually, I'm gonna go look.